Ever wondered what makes your favorite food so delightfully thick, creamy, or even jiggly? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of hydrocolloids, the unsung heroes in our kitchens and industries. Hydrocolloids are natural or synthetic substances that drastically change the behavior of water in food and other products. They can thicken, gel, stabilize, and retain water, transforming the textures and consistencies we love in everyday items. By absorbing water and swelling up, hydrocolloids increase a mixture's viscosity without altering other properties, making your sauces and gravies smooth and thick. Some, like gelatin and pectin, go a step further by forming gels that are essential in jellies, custards, and gummy candies. Hydrocolloids are derived from various natural sources. Agar and carrageenans come from seaweed, guar gum from guar beans, locust bean gum from carob seeds, and xanthan gum is produced through fermentation. Let's explore some common hydrocolloids. Agar sets desserts with its firm gel. Alginates create unique textures in molecular gastronomy. Carrageenans improve the texture of ice creams and vegan cheeses. Guar gum enhances the thickness of dairy products. Locust bean gum works well in cream cheese, and xanthan gum stabilizes salad dressings. Hydrocolloids also stabilize mixtures by preventing oil droplets and air bubbles from separating. This is crucial for creamy emulsions like mayonnaise and airy whipped creams. Additionally, they help retain water in products, enhancing mouthfeel and extending shelf life, crucial in baked goods and meats. Beyond our kitchens, hydrocolloids are indispensable in the food industry, improving product consistency, managing costs by reducing waste, and enhancing consumer appeal. Their ability to modify texture and stability impacts everything from pharmaceuticals to cosmetics, showcasing their versatility and importance. So, the next time you enjoy a scoop of ice cream or dress a salad, remember the hydrocolloids at work behind the scenes, making our meals not just possible but delightful. Thanks for joining us on this gooey journey through the world of hydrocolloids.